Hey guys, welcome back. I'm at Gateway Bangsue and we're gonna go and have some food. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet, but I'm gonna take you with me and let's eat. Here we are back in the mall again, guys, and still no people here from the last video I did. So should be able to find a restaurant, no problem. Let's hope they're open and allow me to sit down. Alright, we'll go up here. Can't believe how quiet it is in here today. Really quiet. Nice restaurant there. Pizzas are quite nice. That's alright, if you go on the app, you get like a 50% discount. Who wants seafood on the pizza? I'm getting out, I've got a big old restaurant to myself in there, look. I might give this one a go today. Yeah, I just went to the shabushi restaurant and it was nearly 400 baht, and the woman says they have no beef on the menu and no pork. So I said, oh, I don't want to eat it then if you don't have any beef, so we're going to find somewhere else. This place is supposed to be nice. Let's try that. Have a look. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, so here we are, guys. This is what we have on promotion. This is buy one get one free today. And that's got a kimchi soup on top of cheese, sausage and egg lava. So what I've gone for today is the spicy kimchi chicken burger, 150. So yeah, let's have a look. Gone for a nice cold water today. Been drinking too much Coke in these other videos, so yeah, nice water. There it is, guys. I don't know if I'm going to eat two of them. I'll have to take one home. It's nice, a little bit spicy. Yeah, it's really spicy. And yeah, a little bit messy as well. Nice one. Chicken's cooked really well. And the batter's like kind of hard, but nice. That is a good burger. So yeah, it was right, that was, guys. I could only eat one of them though, so I'm gonna get swap this one and take it home. And so I'll go and get the bill now. So here's the bill, guys. So I'll put the price to the left here in English. So 209. Water. Oh, it is written in English, so you can see. So that wasn't too bad for two burgers. I'm gonna have another burger later on tonight. So there we are, guys. That was spot on. Now time for the score. I'd give that a 8.5, only because it's a little bit spicy for me. but everything else was spot on. The mayonnaise was spot on, and yeah, the burger, a really nice lump of chicken, you know. So and there's buy one get one free as well. So yeah, not too bad. Okay, if you like that, I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. See ya.